Welcome everybody to the Python Fundamentals for Real Estate Bootcamp. And in this short course, we are going to cover some fundamentals of Python to really help you enhance your research, your capabilities, and your ultimate day-to-day. We're going to work through a variety of exercises, explore a couple of libraries, and it all comes down to understanding the power behind Python, what it offers for our industry, and we're going to work with key libraries that's specifically applicable to our industry and the types of data that we use. We're going to learn how to build cash flow models in Python. We're going to conduct simple and advanced sensitivity analysis. And we're also going to see how we can integrate Python into Excel to completely elevate our real estate research experience. We hope you enjoy the course as much as we enjoyed writing it, and we'll see you in the day one.